Hello my dear kids, I'm your teacher Diana. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I wish you all a happy new year. Let this new year bring you joy, peace and happiness. Okay my dear kids, today is our English class and for today, ma'am is going to teach you the letters R, S, T and U. For today, we are going to learn the alphabet R, S, T and U. We are going to identify the letters, both capital and small, and we are going to learn the related words of these letters. Are you all ready to move on to our class? Come on my dear kids, let's move on to our class. What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn the letter R. All of you say R. This is a capital R. This is a small r. All of you say this is a capital R. This is a small r. Now I know how letter R looks. All of you say now I know how letter R looks. Come on children, let's make the sound of letter R. What's the sound of R? All of you say, shake your heads. When the dog plays with the rag, with the cloth, how it sounds? How it sounds? It's your turn now. Very good kids. Come on, let's see the pictures related to letter R. R is for rabbit. R is for rabbit. 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 R is for rocket. R is for rocket. 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 R is for rat. R is for rat. 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 R is for rainbow. R is for rainbow. 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 R is for rose. R is for rose. 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 R is for ring. R is for ring. 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 Yeah, kids, come on, let's practice to write letter R. Draw a standing line from the red line stop, then a right curve, then a right slanting line. Capital R. All of you say capital R. Try it in your notebook, my dear children. Then let's write the small r. Just a standing line. Come up and just a curve. Small r. All of you try it in your 4-line notebook, children. Let's write small r once again. A standing line. Come up on the line and just a curve. R. Small r. Small r. Very good, children. Let's see the next letter. What letter shall we learn? What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn the letter yes. All of you say yes. This is a capital S. This is a capital S. This is a small s. This is a small s. Now we all know how letter yes looks. Now we all know how letter yes looks. Come on my dear kids, let's make the sound of letter yes. What's the sound of letter yes? It's your turn now. Very good kids, very good. Come on, my dear kids, let's see the pictures related to letter yes. S is for sun. S is for sun. S, s, sun. S, s, sun. S is for snail. S is for snail. S, s, snail. S, s, snail. S is for snowman. S is for snowman. S, s, snowman. S, s, snowman. S is for spoon. S is for spoon. S, s, spoon. S, s, spoon. S is for star. S is for star. S, s, star. S, s, star. Very good, kids. Very good. Come on, let's practice to write letter yes. S. You'll write, children. It's very easy to write letter S. Draw a left curve and a right curve. Capital S. All of you see? S. Capital S. Very good, children. Let's write small s. Just like this. A left curve and a right curve. Small s. Capital S. Small s. What letter shall we learn? What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn the letter T. All of you say T. This is a capital T. This is a capital T. This is a small t. This is a small t. Now we all know how letter T looks. Now we all know how letter T looks. Come on, my dear kids, let's make the sound of letter T. What's the sound of letter T? T, T, T. T, T, T. T, T, T. It's your turn now. Very good, kids. Very good. Well done. Come on, my dear kids. Let's see the pictures related to the letter T. T is for table. T is for table. T, T, table. T, T, table. T is for tortoise. T is for tortoise. T, T, tortoise. T, T, tortoise. T is for teddy bear. T is for teddy bear. T, T, teddy bear. T, T, teddy bear. T is for tiger. T is for tiger. T, T, tiger. T, T, tiger. T is for tree. T is for tree. T, T, tree. T, T, tree. T is for telephone. T is for telephone. T, T, telephone. T, T, telephone. Very good, kids. Very good. Come on, my dear kids. Let's practice to write letter T. Okay, now let's write the next letter. What comes after S? T. All of you see? T. Draw a sleeping line on the red line and center of the sleeping line just a standing line. Capital T. All of you see? Capital T. Very good. Now let's write small t. Touch the red line. Draw a standing line and an up curve and a small sleeping line on the blue line. Small t. Capital T. Small t. What letter shall we learn? What letter shall we learn? Let's find out now. Let's learn the letter U. All of you see? U. This is a capital U. This is a capital U. This is a small u. This is a small U. Now we all know how letter U looks. Now we all know how letter U looks. Come on children, let's make the sound of letter U. It's your turn now. Well done kids, well done. Come on my dear kids, let's see the pictures related to letter U. U is for uncle. U is for uncle. 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 U is for up. U is for up. 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 U is for under. U is for under. 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 U is for underground. U is for underground. 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 U is for umbrella. U is for umbrella. 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 U is for upstairs. U is for upstairs. 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 Very good kids, very good. Let's practice to write letter U. What comes after T? You're right children. U. All of you see? U. Touch the red line and draw a up curve. U. Capital U. All of you see? Capital U. Very good kids. Let's write small u. Touch the blue line and write a small u. Small u. Capital U. Small u. Very good kids. Dear kids, I hope for today you would have identified and learned the letter pictures for the alphabet R, S, T and U. Kids, you should practice to say the letter pictures by using the sounds of the letter. Okay, my dear kids, will all of you do it? Practice and see you soon in the next class with the next remaining letters in the alphabet. See you soon, my dear kids. Bye-bye, kids. Bye-bye.